Okay, good morning and welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to create a ring holder. It's going to be a small little item that when you're not wearing your rings, you can go ahead and hold them, or there's a little ring keeper. Okay, so we're going to use Design Spark Mechanical to create that. I have a model here at the house that I'll be taking measurements from. So we'll go ahead and create open up Design Spark Mechanical. We'll go ahead and create a new design. Go ahead and change the view to plan. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get our line tool. We're going to go 1 inch because I know the plate needs to be 2. We're going to come up to there. We're going to be revolving this around, so now we'll go ahead and do our offset. We'll offset it 0.125. Offset this 0.125. Okay, now we're going to Control plus to zoom in. We're going to go ahead and create a line across the top here. Click off, select. We're going to grab this tool up here, which is create corner. We're going to click this line to create the corner. Now we're going to get our trim away tool. We're going to trim away this and this. Now we're going to come up here and grab our create rounded corner. We're going to click here, click over to here, and add a little radius in there. Same with the bottom. Click. Okay, that's good. Now we're going to go ahead and round this corner here. So we'll grab our corner rounder. Go from there to there. That should probably be good. I'm not going to round the outside edge, so we'll go ahead and click off of that. And now we're going to put our let's go ahead and revolve this. So we'll say pull. Well, I think I need to draw a line on the end here, so we'll go ahead and go. Okay, it has to be a closed object. So pull. We'll click there. We'll click a revolve tool, which is there. We're going to revolve it from the endpoint there. Pull. Okay, now go back to the drawing. We're going to get our line tool. We're going to click in this bottom there. We're going to put a line. This is going to be our centerpiece. It's going to be like 1.5, so we'll go 1.5. Select the click off. Now we're going to come over. I want this to be 1/4, so we'll do our offset. And we'll come over to the left, 0.125. Now I'm going to go ahead and get our, we want to put a curve onto this. So we're going to click here. Let's turn off snaps. We're going to come to there, kind of round this. Then we're going to go from there to the top. And we'll round that. Okay, now we can come in here and get rid of this line. Don't need it. Then we're going to go Control plus to zoom in. We're going to use our pan tool. Click and drag down. Okay, we're going to put a top on this. Okay, now we're going to grab our circle tool. Come from the center. Actually, no, undo this. Come from this center here, out. We'll go 0.175. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and draw a continuing line here. Click select to click off. Then we're going to grab the line tool. And then we're going to click and drag up to create 2 lines there. We're going to use our trim away tool. I'm going to trim away this stuff. Okay. Now we're going to pan up. Should be good to pull. So we'll go ahead and pull. For some reason it's not. Oh, we got to put a line in there. Let's go back to the drawing. Get our line tool. I had the same problem earlier of this, so we'll go ahead and pan. Let's go ahead and trim away. Let's put a complete line in here. That might help. Click there. Click there. Click over. Okay. Let's try the pull. There it is. Okay, now we'll click on it. Going to grab our revolve. Going to revolve from this point, and we're going to full pull. And now we're going to go ahead and spin this. Make sure it's okay. Looks okay. We'll control plus to zoom in. I'm going to grab our pan tool to pan down. I'm going to put a radius in here, small one. And then we'll put a radius here, smaller one. Okay, now we're gonna pan up. And then I'm going to put one more right here. And the reason I usually like to put fillets in is fillets create a flexible point. So in other words, if I didn't have a fillet here, it would be basically one sharp edge onto another sharp edge, which would make a weak point. So it would be really easy for this pin here to break off. By putting a fillet on here, it creates a flexible joint. So there's some bit of flex to this pin before it would break. So it would be stronger. Okay, that looks like that's going to end our tutorial today. If you found anything useful out of this tutorial, please consider liking and subscribing. And thank you for watching.